Welcome back to another Zybus tutorial. Today is our first Blender tutorial and we'll be showing you how to cut a hole in an object. So let's start off by creating a cylinder because I'm going to try and make a circular hole. Hang on. Right, so to cut a hole in an object you need to create that object first. So I'm going to select a cylinder. Oh, there we go. And there you go, you can see it's put it a bit of an awkward place. Let's just drag it out. There we go. And then I'm going to rotate it and make my square a bit bigger. So let's start off by rotating it. So to do that you just go to the little square and then you click rotation, because we're going to want to rotate it in the y-axis 90 degrees. So put 90 in, and there we go. Now we're going to make the square a bit bigger so we can actually see the hole. So let's scale it up to 10. Oh, wrong axis. We'll do that in a minute. 10 and 10 again. So we're going to want to change the x-axis to 1. There we go. Now let's just position our cylinder where you want the hole. So if we move it back a bit. There we go. Oops, can't see it. There we go. And now if you go to the little spanner and then click add modifier, then you want to hit Boolean. There we go. And click intersect and change that to difference. There we go. And then we're going to select the object to be the cylinder and then click apply. And then if I drag away there you go, you can see it's cut a hole.